Yo! What's up, speed lovers? Welcome back to Channel V8X. If you live for horsepower, racing DNA, and machines that don't ask for permission, you're in the right place. Because standing in front of us right now is a pure weapon. The Yamaha YZF-R1 2026, wearing that savage yellow and black factory color. This is not just a bike, this is controlled chaos. One look at the Yamaha YZF-R1 2026 and you already know, this thing means business. Low, wide, sharp. It looks angry even when it's parked, like it's waiting for the throttle to be twisted. Let's hit the front view, because this is where intimidation starts. Those razor-sharp LED headlights stare straight into your soul. The aggressive nose, the aerodynamic design, the race-inspired fairing. This front end doesn't beg for respect, it demands it. This is MotoGP attitude brought straight to the street. Slide over to the side profile, and now you see pure engineering aggression. The sculpted tank, the razor-cut fairings, and that forward-leaning riding position scream one thing: speed. Everything here is tight, purposeful, and deadly efficient. In yellow and black, the R1 looks fast even when it's standing still. Now check out the rear view, and this is where the beast flexes. That sharp tail section, glowing LED tail light, and massive rear tire give it a full race bike stance. Wide, planted, and ready to launch like a missile. From the back, this bike looks like it's already pulling away from everything else on the road. Hop into the cockpit, and the dashboard view hits different. The digital TFT display feels straight out of a professional race machine. Speed, RPM, traction, all right there, clean and aggressive. This isn't a comfort cruiser display, this is a command center. And now, the heart. The engine view tells the real story. That legendary inline-four is built to scream at high RPMs, delivering explosive power when you ask for it. Metal, muscle, and madness. Yamaha didn't build this engine to be polite. They built it to dominate. From the sky, the drone view shows just how compact and lethal this machine really is. Perfect proportions. Tight bodywork. Zero wasted space. This bike is designed like a weapon. Every angle has a purpose. On the open road, the highway shot is where the R1 becomes unstoppable. At speed, it's rock solid, glued to the pavement, slicing through air like a blade. And when the sun goes down, the night shot turns this bike into a neon-lit monster. LEDs glowing, reflections dancing, pure cinematic chaos. Now let's talk money. Because performance like this isn't cheap, but it's worth every dollar. The expected price of the Yamaha YZF-R1 2026 sits around $18,000, depending on the market. For this level of design, power, and racing technology, that price makes it an absolute superbike legend. This was the Yamaha YZF-R1 2026, yellow and black, loud, aggressive, and unapologetic. If this bike got your heart racing, smash that like button, subscribe, and stay connected with Channel V8X. Where speed isn't optional, it's a lifestyle. This is Channel V8X, and we'll catch you at full throttle in the next one. Fire motorcycle.